Being Sigma isn't about being tough and posing with your best mewing face. It's about forging your own path, staying authentic, and needing zero validation from a crowd. Here are some top tier quotes to get you into the Sigma mindset. First up, here's a relationship reality check. If they make you an option, make them your history. Next, Lao Tzu drops major wisdom with conquering others is power. Conquering oneself is strength. Ayn Rand brings classic confidence. Asking the question isn't who is going to let me, it's who is going to stop me. When it comes to the silent grind, remember to work until you no longer have to introduce yourself. Then, Sigma from Overwatch serves peak aura with gravity is a harness. I have harnessed the harness. And finally, to stay true to your own path, John Mason says, "You were born an original. Don't die a copy." Now go mute the noise, lock in, and focus on your own grind. No lone wolf edits needed.